Thank you for calling. What's your question for Ann?
Hi. My question's in reference to whether or not Florida is a recourse state. In other words, if there's a deficiency that arises from a short sale or a foreclosure and the owner has assets, is the bank going to come after those assets?
This is an excellent question. I will tell you, this is the most misunderstood, wrongly publicized. A lot of the things in the media will say Florida is not a recourse state. Florida is a recourse state. This means as follows. If you lose your home to foreclosure, then the bank has the right to come after you personally for the difference between what they received and what you owe, plus their attorney's fees, and then that takes the form of a judgment that's good for 20 years, which sends most homeowners into bankruptcy. This is why it's very important to contact your Florida lawmakers to see if we could get this changed, because Florida is one of few states that is a recourse state. And that's why I spent all this time trying to talk people into foreclosure alternatives, because you have something to do about it, not only when you're served, but all the way up until the time the bank sale takes place. So it's very important to save yourself from foreclosure because we are a recourse state. Now contrast that to short sales. In a short sale, there's three options. The bank can approve you and forgive the difference between what they receive at the short sale and what you owe, or they can call for you to approve the short sale but contribute in the form of a cash contribution or an unsecured promissory note. But these need to be disclosed. What's happening is a lot of banks refuse to say in their approval letters whether they're going to forgive you or not, because they're afraid of getting recourse from their investor. In other words, the servicer is afraid of the investor and forgiving you, and then they're going to be responsible for it. So the answer is that you don't know what's going to happen until you receive a 1099. If you receive a 1099 after your short sale, your lender's saying to you, you're forgiven, that's it.
Okay, that was a lot of information. That could be the longest you've ever given an answer.